That was a crazy climb. That was awesome.
Yeah, it's not the toughest that we've done, but still it's nice that we have one so close to home.
Yeah, well, you know, with this COVID-19 situation, it's nice that we have nature close by and we can go off-roading and have some fun with the cars.
Yeah, it's only a pity that yours is driving and mine is still stuck in the garage.
Yeah, well, you know, if you want, we can go back to that project.
It's a lot of work, you remember.
I remember, but we have time now.
Well, if you're in, I'm in.
I'm definitely in.
Okay, so let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Hi, my name is Guy Racy. This is my brother Itai, the biggest car guy I know and our in-house inventor. Our father Michael always pushes us forward, sometimes a little too much. Together we have created Enicar Connected, a great tool to modernize classic cars and hot rods. Now with COVID-19 slowing down the world, we have some time to show you what we love to do. This is Enicar Garage.
It's been a while since we've been here.
Yeah, I wonder how it looks inside.
Probably dusty.
Ready?
Go for it.
Here she is.
So, Itai, I think we had the first look of the car.
Yep.
We have some things to do.
Yep.
What do you say? How do you want to attack this?
Make a list of everything that we need to do so that we can do it in order. Clean everything. Table completely clean. And start sweating basically.
Alright. I'm doing it already. But you know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna get that.
Okay, let's do that.
Gee whiz. What the hell is this? What's this dust came from?
I brought the man.
You found him.
I did. So, we had the first look of the car and the garage. And there's a lot of cleaning up to be done here. We need to get all the stuff from underneath the car, from the back. We need to clean the car. We need to clean up the table. A lot of stuff. So, we're gonna go now. We'll leave you here. And we'll see you in about 3 hours.
See you soon.
Wh- Where are you going? What the hell is this? I have another idea.
It's been a long 3 days, but I think we got the place cleaned up, the car's cleaned up, and I think we're ready.
Yeah, basically our work area is nice and clean. Shelves are still full as you can see. But where we're going to work, everything's nice and clean and we know where all the parts are, so we won't be searching for them during the build.
You know what, let's take the time and tell me a little bit about the car.
So, it's a 1962 Willys truck. I bought it about 20 years ago. It didn't look like this. And we drove it for a while like it was, nearly stock form. We did a lot of 4x4 trips with it, so it was a bit difficult to drive it at about 50 miles an hour, top max speed, and it was screaming. So we changed the drivetrain to a modern drivetrain. It has a fuel-injected Jeep motor in it. And then after a few years we decided to do the paint and body as it has been done, and since then basically we have had it in this garage since we haven't finished the interior and some of the electric parts that we want to install in the car.
Well, I see most of the trim is missing on the car. That's something that we're going to have to take care of. I think we're going to change the tires. I know that we have that back fender that we want to put back in place, but what else is on our to-do list?
Well, there is the rear bumper that we need to add with the taillights, but basically most of the work will be on the interior of the car. We'll start with the upholstery, and we have the power windows that we want to add and power locking. We have a vintage air unit that we want to install so that the car will be nice and cool during summer. And everything then will be connected to the Enicar Connected system.
In that way we'll actually be able to control everything in the car from the central screen, huh?
Yeah, that's the basic idea of the system.
Alright, that sounds great. So let's get to it.
Next time on Enicar Garage. Modernizing the cabin begins with the door interior. Central locking and power window modules get installed and prepared to be wired up to the Enicar Connected system. Michael is out searching for revenge.
Remember the 3 hours that you made me clean up this thing?
Join us to see how the guys handle it all.